Hello, good morning, Namaskar. Today I am going to discuss about a new topic in continuation of explanation of rubric in Boric repertory. Rubric is delirium. Delirium is a serious disturbance in mental abilities that results in confused thinking and reduced awareness of the environment. The start of delirium is usually rapid within hours or a few days. प्रलाप और delirium बेचैनी, भ्रम और असंगति प्रलाप का कारण प्रलाप जो है बेचैनी, भ्रम और असंगति, नशा, बुखार और अन्य विकारों में होने वाली मन की एक तीव्र रूप से अशांत अवस्था है। कॉजेज ऑफ डिलीरियम: अल्टर्ड स्लीप वेक साइकिल, इनअटेंशन, डिसऑर्गेनाइज्ड थिंकिंग, मेमोरी इम्पेयरमेंट, disorientation, altered level of consciousness, acute onset, perceptual disturbance, psychomotor agitations or retardations. These are the contributory effect of the delirium. In Boric repertory, we see delirium alcoholic or delirium tremens, absinthe, ethuja, britacarb, atropine, belladonna, cannabis indica, capsicum, digitalis, hyoscyamus, hyoscyanic acid, hydrobromium, lupal nux vomica, opium, passiflora, stramonium, stranchain and some teucrium. Carpologia, picking at bedcloth flocks. Atropine, belladonna, hyoscyamus, muriatic acid, opium, stramonium, zincum muriaticum. Coma vigil, hyoscyamus, opium, phosphorus. Destructive, desire to bark, bite, strike, tear things. Belladonna, cantharis, hyoscyamus, stramonium, veratrum album, veratrum virid. Effort to escape from bed or head. Agaricus, belladonna, bryonia, cuprum metallicum, hyoscyamus, opium, rustux, stramonium, veratrum album. Furor, frenzy, raving. Agaricus, belladonna, cantharis, cuprum metallicum, hyoscyamus, onions, solanum nigrum, stramonium, veratrum album. Lascivious furor, cantharis, hyoscyamus, phosphorus, stramonium. Loquacity, talks incessantly. Agaricus, belladonna, semicifuga, hyoscyamus, lachesis, stramonium, veratrum album. Delirium, merry, dancing, singing. Agaricus, belladonna, hyoscyamus, stramonium, veratrum album. Delirium, muttering low incoherently. Agaricus, L. apis, baptisia, helleborus, lachesis, muriatic acid, phosphoric acid, phosphorus, rustux, veratrum album. Rapid answering: semicifuga, lachesis, stramonium, veratrum album. Slow in answering relapses: arnica, helleborus, phosphoric acid, sulfur. Supur, stupor, coma. Ammonium card, apis, arnica, baptisia, belladonna, cantharis, carbolic acid, gelsemium, helleborus, hyoscyamus, lobelia purpurea, नाइट्रोस्पेसिफिक नक्स मॉस्केटा, ओपियम, फॉस्फोरिक एसिड, फॉस्फोरस, पिलोइक, रस्टक्स, स्टामोनियम, टेरेबिन, थायराइडिनम, ब्रेटरम एल्बम, जिंक. So these medicine present in rubric containing to delirium and different subrubric in boric repertory. Italic type shows the 2 marks and Roman is the 1 marks. What are the other words for delirium? Other words or similar words for delirium: frenzy, hysteria, fury, fever, insanity, madness, dementia, derangement, hallucination, schizophrenia, etc. So this is about rubric delirium in boric repertory. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.